Start by giving thanks for this life, this moment. Trust in the Lord, even when it seems the forces of darkness are closing in. He is the living God, the one who promises to light our way when the path seems lost. His word shines like a guiding star, illuminating even the darkest nights. So, lean on Him, and let His light guide you. I've got something special for you, a reward, waiting just on the other side of faith. Believe in the Lord and stay positive, because together, we're aiming for a hat trick of blessings. Welcome to my video, crafted to bring you the best winning lottery numbers. This month, I've got 10 numbers that could be your ticket to prosperity. Whether you play them forward or backwards, may they lead you to success. The number 23 vibrates with the energies of both 2 and 3, blending cooperation with creativity. It calls for balance and harmony in your relationships and endeavors. In numerology, the number 9 stands for completion and fulfillment. It's the wisdom to see the bigger picture, urging you to embrace endings as new beginnings, and to use your journey to uplift others. Then, there's the number 88, an echo of abundance and achievement. Doubling the power of 8, it symbolizes financial stability and the manifestation of wealth. The number 42 is all about practicality and teamwork, building strong foundations through collaboration. It encourages you to work diligently towards your goals. In numerology, the number 4 speaks to stability, structure, and the strength to persevere. It's a call to hard work and determination. Meanwhile, the number 19 fuses the independent spirit of 1 with the nurturing energy of 9, signaling a phase of personal growth and the dawn of a new chapter. The number 71 blends the introspection of 7 with the ambition of 1, symbolizing a journey of self-discovery towards spiritual and personal goals. And number 35 mixes creativity with adventure, urging you to embrace change and express your true self. Then there's 49, a number that merges the practical energy of 4 with the compassionate nature of 9. It's about committing to service and creating a stable, supportive environment for others. Before we reveal the final number, take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you're new here. Now, for the last number, 16. This number combines intuition with nurturing, encouraging inner growth and self-reflection. Trust your instincts and care for your emotional well-being. Until next time, may your month be filled with blessings. If you're feeling abundant, don't forget to like this video and give thanks. Type Amen if you feel the abundance flowing in.